Your calendar is still empty. Your clinic has good people. You have a great equipment. But you are not getting the right patient that you deserve. You are not alone. And it's not your fault. In fact, most physio clinics are in the same boat right now in 2025. In this video, I'm going to show you why a good physiotherapy clinic is struggling to stay full and what to do about it. I am Adam Ali and I help physiotherapy clinics like yours to fill their schedules with 20 to 40 new patients every single month using paid ads, booking system, and automated follow-ups. You don't need to become a marketing expert or to hire a big agency or to post on Instagram every day. What you need is a simple system that works even while you are treating your patients. So if your clinic is relying on word of mouth or referrals or hoping people walk through the door, this video is going to change everything. Why your clinic still empty? Let me guess, you are doing a good work, your clients love you, you get some referrals, maybe a few returning patients, but then it dries up. You post in social media, but it doesn't really return into bookings. You are not alone here. And here's why this happens. 1. No clear offer. Most physiotherapy clinics say things like we help you with the pain or we offer rehabilitation on. That's not clear offer. Patients don't wake up thinking about that. They wake up thinking, my back hurts, I need help. 2. No system find and book people. Imagine someone wants to book. They see your page, but no link, no direct way to schedule. They forget, and that's lost revenue. And 3, no follow-up system. Someone messaged you 2 days ago. Did anyone follow up? Or did that lead go cold? Why good physios stay broke? Let me be honest. Good physios stay broke all the time. Why? Because nobody knows they exist. Your degree doesn't guarantee you a new patient. Your location doesn't either. Not even a great result guaranteed anything if nobody see it. Meanwhile, average clinics are backed because they know how to run Facebook ads and how to follow up and how to build a trust online. Being great, what you do isn't enough anymore. You are invisible. You will stay empty. What actually works in 2025? Let me break down exactly what's working right now. Not theory, real world stuff. 1. A clear, irresistible offer. We craft something simple like $29 first session, limited to 10 new clients. This grabs attention and gets people to take action. 2. Facebook ads plus Google ads, done properly. We run ads that target people around your location who are searching for a physio help or recently talk about it. We don't waste budget. 3. Booking system, no more manual DMs. Leads go straight into online calendar. They booked their time, they get notified, and your schedule fills up without back and forth texting. This is the exact system that I follow up for my clinics. They don't touch the ads. We handle the entire thing. They just show up and treat the patient. You must saying, I have tried ads before and they didn't work. And that's true. They didn't, but here is why. 1. No strategy. You posted a post that, not strategy. That's like putting a sign outside a random house. 2. No funnel. People clicked your ad and then what? Homepage with no CTA. You lost them. And 3. No follow-up. Someone messaged you and nobody replied. Or you replied too late. That's dead lead. or the wrong audience. You targeted everyone in the country instead of people 5 miles around your clinic. Ads work, but only when they are part of a full system. What your future could look like. Imagine this. It's 30 days from now. You check your calendar, it's full. You are seeing between 3 to 5 new patients every day, and they are saying, I found you online. You didn't post a single reel, you didn't follow up manually, and you just show up and you did what you do best. That's what happens when you run your clinic like a business with a system that works 24/7. If this sounds like something your clinic needs, I will love to help you. We set up the system for you, your ads, your landing page, and your automation, and your calendar. It's not a course, it's not a theory, it's a done for you services that bring you new patients every single month. Or we keep working for free until we does. Click the link below to book a free 15 minutes call. No pressure, I will just show you what's possible for your clinic. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe. I post weekly tips on how physiotherapy clinics can grow fast without burnt or guessing. Follow me here in YouTube and let's fill up your calendar. Thanks for watching. I am Adam Ali and see you in the next one.